Hey planners, it's Taya Shante Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be planning my May dashboard and using the journaling kit from my collaboration with Paper Trail Plans. This is the Cel-liberation kit and it's a collaboration that we created to celebrate the Juneteenth holiday. So I'll be using the kit itself, the full kit, weekly kit in June, but I wanted to use the journaling kit to decorate my May monthly spread because in addition to being Juneteenth, it's also kind of Western themed, and I felt like the colors and the theme would be really fun for my May dashboard spread, and I also just couldn't wait to get my hands on these stickers because I'm in love with them. I think it's so beautiful, and it was so much fun to get creative and finally get a chance to put this in my planner because I've been excited about it and waiting to use these stickers for a while now. This collection will be available until May 31st if you are interested in it. And so I started by putting down one of the torn paper journaling strips in the top corner, added the May script, which is also from Paper Trail Plans, and then layered some of the deco with some florals, and then that foiled floral sticker is from JK Creates Co. Added in one of the long floral washi trims, accented that with some foiled stickers from Sadie Stickers, and then pulled in some of the butterfly clip art from the kit. And I'm just loving how the sort of header section at the top of the page came out. I'm going to repeat that same trim. And what I like to do is separate my dashboard spread into two very functional sections, where this top section I use that to keep track of my orders for the month, and so I'll write down the date that I placed the order, the name of the shop, a short description of what I ordered, and then I'll check off when the item shipped and then check off when it arrived. And so now that I've got that whole section done, I'm moving down into the bottom, adding some more floral trim, and I'm just creating a little decorative scene down at the bottom. That archway is from Nikki Plus 3. I fell in love with those archways so immediately when I saw them. I was just like, oh, too cute. Adding in some foiled grass from Sadie Stickers behind the florals down at the bottom, which I felt just really gave it something fun and special. I love the accent of that foiled grass. Again, with some more of those foiled floral accents. Tongue twister. And then the clip art with the windmill and the little fashion doll are all from the kit, as well as these butterflies. And I'm then going to pull in, this was from the freebie from Paper Trail Plans. I layered one of the scallop circles from the kit on top of that, and I'm using that as a background for the title for the order tracker section. And so I added the little boot from the deco, and that order tracker script is a custom from Panda Bird Design, layering a floral underneath there and then adding in a butterfly cluster. And here in my kit section, this is where I keep track of the weekly kits that I use. And I wanted to scatter these little brushstroke boxes and torn paper boxes, because that's what I'm going to write down the names of the kits in, or the names of the shops that each kit is from. And I'm just trying to figure out like how I want to arrange this, and this is where I have a lot of fun, just trying to like arrange the boxes in a fun way, and then I'll add deco around them and sort of pull this look together. That kit's script is a custom from Nettie Designs, and her shop has now reopened. It has been quite some time since she's been open, and so I'm very glad to have her back in the planner community. But put down that kit script, and now I'm just accenting around the boxes because I finally got everything placed where I want it to be, and I'm just pulling in some florals, some clip art, and just decorating around those boxes, and it just pulls everything together to accent it with the clip art and make it all look really cohesive and fun and decorative. And I love that about this section of just decorating and creating a fun little scene, and this is where I'll keep track of my kits, and so it's both super functional and really adorable. Now I'm just pulling in a quote, and so we did release quotes along with this kit. It's a really big collection. There's like a weekly kit, the journaling kit, the quotes, the foiled accented stickers, there's just, and then like floral deco add-ons. There's just so much to this collection, which is just amazing. I love this particular quote. It says, "Don't follow the path, go where there is no path and begin the trail." And that is by Ruby Bridges. And now I'm just accenting the order tracker section with some florals so that it ties in and everything, it looks coordinated with each each other, and I try to make those as thin as possible because I still need to give myself room to write. And that finishes up, wait, I'm gonna add a flourish, and that finishes up this spread. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.